I give everybody that I sell a trailer to one of these really nice canvas bags. They come in handy. Thank you for joining me today and taking a look at some of our trailers out here on Guaranty's website. My name is Barbara Balcom, Barbara D at Guaranty. Today I'm going to talk to you about the 271 RKS. This is a Coachmen product. It's a Catalina. First of all, I like that it has an outside kitchen, kind of handy. And the awning comes out, so you've got a nice extra kitchen area to fiddle around, make a quick dinner or a fast lunch. It offers a queen bed with a private bedroom and a door. This sofa, which is a trifold sofa that somebody could sleep on, maybe if one of the kids are feeling down and out, they can watch a movie while they went to bed. It's got a nice kitchen area because the kitchen wraps around in the back, and a super comfortable booth. You know, when Coachmen is building these rigs, they've been smart because they know that we're going to need our phones and our charging stations. So in that sofa, you've got a place to charge your phone, and you've got a pull-up bar for your electrical needs. They offer a dual axle. So this is a great length of coach for a couple and a small family. If you're going to have guests come over or friends and family stay with you, there's a place for them to sleep comfortably. And if it's just two of you, then you've got it made in the shade. You've got an outside kitchen where you can do some entertaining. You've got a great big awning. You've got solid steps so you can come in and out. It is worth coming out and taking a look. I always share with my families. I've been doing this for a number of decades, but I always share my own experience. Whenever we bought a travel trailer, a fifth wheel, a motorhome, we knew almost in a minute that that was the right one. So I hope that you'll come out and take a look at not only this unit, but some others, and find the one that's a good fit for you. Guaranty's been in business for about 50 years or better. We take anything in on trade, even a noisy neighbor. Give me a call. Have a little fun. Get out there and enjoy it. My name is Barbara D at Guaranty RV in Junction City. 541-521-4232. That's how you get a hold of me. Call or text. Thank you so much for spending some time with me this afternoon.